What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to send USDC between Binance and self-custody. So of course, before you go to Binance, you want to use a self-custody wallet. For example, we're having Trust Wallet. So in our Trust Wallet, we'll be going over to the receive, tap receive here, and then we want to select USDC. So we can see USDC, and we're going to search for it because we want USDC with the BNB Smart Chain. And you can see it right here because there are different options for the network. You want to choose the option you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll be using BNB Smart Chain. You can tap on it. You can see the QR code and the alphanumeric address below. So you can tap and copy. And now that it's copied to the clipboard, you're going to go over to Binance. Now right here in Binance, you want to go to the bottom right corner, tap on Assets. Of course, you want to make sure you have your USDC, and if you tap on USDC, you can tap Send at the bottom. You have three options. You want to choose Withdraw Asset. Tap on it. Then you want to put in the address, which you copied. And then you want to select the network, BNB Smart Chain or BP20. That's what we chose in our self-custody wallet in the case of Trust Wallet. And then, of course, you want to click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. This will send your USDC successfully from Binance to your self-custody wallet.